look what arrived, the latest sticky kit. So I'm going to do a little opening of this, and then I'm going to do some journaling, and I'll probably be doing that in my Christmas junk journal. Okay, so I just opened this up, and look at all the little goodies inside. I'm just so excited. She's given me, Jessica from Sticky Kit has given me some extra envelopes because I wanted to kind of show you guys the different styles. So they've been coming in these type of soft material filled bags, which I do use again to give some pen pal treats in. And it's come with a little Sticky Kit 2019 business card style calendar. So that's really sweet. So I might put it in the front of my Hobonichi even, because I just love that. It's got all the beautiful artwork patterns on the front. And I'm loving these different coloured envelopes. I squealed when I saw this green one because it's so Christmassy. So, oh my god, I love it so much. Thank you for adding those extra, Jessica. I really appreciate it. And I'm loving the new detail of these combo kit cards. This is exciting to see these each month because they're going to have a different, obviously, illustration or artwork on here. And I'm just so excited to see what ones are going to be out continuing on in 2019. Okay, so I've got all the goodies here, so let's open them up. I've got the sticker kit and the washi tape kit, so this is the combo kit together. And love these envelopes, just love. And this card, such a nice touch with that 2019 card. So let's have a look. It's like a paper sticker, these ones. Oh my god, I've been so excited for this pack because I saw a sneak peek. Yeah, so I really love Leanne Fenn washi tape. I've actually got another one. It wasn't from a sticky kit, but I absolutely love this watercolored one. Big fan of her washi tapes. So I was so excited that sticky kit included this one in the latest washi tape kit. And it's got, I don't know if the camera's picking up, but it's beautiful watercolored fruits and flowers. And there's these watercolored animals. I don't like bunnies. And it's just beautiful. So when you put it on your journals or just on paper, anywhere you put it, it actually looks like you've watercolored onto the page. So it's pretty amazing. So excited. So I've just recently found out about this washi tape brand BGM, and I'm really loving their patterned and picture washi tapes. So really great to see them in the kit. There's like a little snowy deer scene, and then these kind of snowy woodland. That's another thing I love about Sticky Kit, is that they actually show you a good selection of the latest stationery that they have out in Japan. So it really feels like you get to kind of experience, you know, the latest stationery from Japan, which is for someone who loves Japanese stationery and washi tapes and stickers, it's just the best thing for me. And look at this beautiful blue washi tape. And yeah, it's really kind of snowy. I really like that. And the great thing about this one is it will look nice using it for Christmas, but it would also be able to use it throughout the year, which sometimes you can't always do with your Christmas washi. So, and that's the same with this. You could probably use this one like a few times for the year. And I'm loving these new editions of these little businessy style cards. So little craft paper cards. We've got like a snowy winter scene, and then we've also got this beautiful sakura flower spring theme. So even though it's not snowy here in Australia, I love that I can still use these sticky kits. Like I said, I like getting cozy, so winter things I'm still happy to include, and I love how there's this touch of spring summer here that I can use. So it's really great. It kind of works universally for all countries, so it's great and handy. So they're the washi tapes. So I'll probably get those out and show you what they look like in my journal. And I like to use the tops of these as well as like a sticker. So, and speaking of stickers, let's open the sticker pack. So we've got sticker flakes. I love sticker flakes, so let's open these up first. Okay, cat fans, eat your heart out. Look at these sticker flakes. So you get a bundle as usual, so they're really generous. You get a bundle of sticker flakes, but I've just pulled out each separate little kitty cat. And look, they're so cute. They are gorgeous. There's like some with bows, snuggled up for winter, ready for some popcorn and a movie. So they're really cute. So that's all the sticker flakes that you get. They're all the different ones. So they're really, really cute. And let's move on to the sticker proportion. Really excited about these Christmassy sticker sheets. So we've got some snowmen and some beautiful snow globes. I love these pastel greens and blue colors. They almost look watercolored. So they're so nice. Oh, love them. Oh! So kawaii. Okay. Oh my god, there's so many extra freebies this time. Okay. These are a sticky kit exclusive, which I love the subscription packs exclusives. Always like beautiful illustrations. And I love these little doggies and bears. I think they're the Japanese dogs. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god, I love these. I think these are going to be a firm favorite. Look, it's getting warm by the fire. Oh, these are so cute. So cute. And then we've got these beautiful deco planner stickers. I'll just use an envelope. So we've got some deco planner stickers. These are so gorgeous. I love these style stickers. Look at that one, how it's like pulled his little hoodie shut. That's so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Little bunnies. Okay, love them. Wow. And you get lots of freebies this time as well. Look, some note paper. Oh, I love this beautiful, it's very delicate Japanese paper. It is so nice. It has this lovely texture. Oh my god, little snowy scenes. Oh, I love this note paper. It just feels so beautiful. I just really appreciate Japanese stationery. So nice. Oh my god, I'm so excited to journal with all these. Look, there's more stickers. So you get some, little hologram style snowflakes. They are so fun. So fun. Look at those. They're shining. Wow. And then you also get some lovely masking seal flower petals. So I think I might even make a flower out of a few of these, and I could draw in a little center. They are beautiful and they look so like they're watercolored. So that is everything that you get in the sticky kit. And thanks Sticky Kit, and thank you for letting me be one of your creative ambassadors. I really appreciate it. I love the kit. It's so great. Okay, hi guys. So I'm back. I've got my Christmas junk journal TN here, and I'm going to do some junk journaling with some of the sticky kit that I have that I just quickly showed you. Love the kit so much, so I know I'm going to have so much fun doing this. So yeah, I've got my sticky kit. I've put an extra paper here because I might show you how to do a tip in, which means where you add a page in your junk journal. And I did have these really delightful, because obviously it's Sticky Kit Japan. I wanted to do a little Japan theme. So I do have extra in case I needed some more pages. I mean, it's pretty full, so I don't think I need to, but just in case. I love these beautiful retro papers. Are the cutest. I love Japanese retro. So these are just beautiful, and I got these little papers. I'll probably share some with my pen pals as well. All you lovely people sending me things to my PO box. So if there's anything I could recommend also quickly when you're doing your junk journal, if you checked out my Christmas junk journal video, I talk a bit more about how I made and what I included in this junk journal that I made for December daily. But just a little point why I'm here. I just think that it's always good to have blank pages too, because if you want to do some more, if you want to leave a page to basically to decorate because you've got like some happy mail coming through or stationery like the sticky kit, then you might want to have a kind of bit of a blank page. So when you're putting together your junk journal, you can keep in mind to keep some of the pages blank. That's more than okay, because right now I'm looking at this, I'm like, oh, I don't really have a blank page, so that's why I'm going to add a little page tip in, but that's okay because it's a good way to show you guys how I kind of make them. So I'll probably put this on a bit of a time lapse with some Christmassy music. I hope you enjoy watching me put together these little junk journal page using the sticky kit stickers and washi tape. So it's the combo pack that I've got here. So this is my finished sticky kit junk journal page. So I've been able to utilize all the beautiful washies and stickers, and they just work perfectly together. I love this kind of winter wonderland greens and blues type theme with a little hint of some purple flowers. So Merry Christmas guys, thanks for watching.